Today we're gonna rank YouTubers. My cousin is gonna rank YouTubers. Okay. So the first YouTuber, wait a minute. So the first YouTuber is Mr. Beast. Where you gonna put Mr. Beast? A. Second best choice. Okay, I'm gonna write that up. I'm gonna write it. Mr. Beast is on the lead. Okay. Mr. Beast is your second favorite. Let's put Mr. Beast. Me, I will think Mr. Beast is. Oh, wait, I will put your name here. Oh, wait, wrong spelling. Is it correct? Castiel. Pasture. Me, Mr. Beast is B. Good but not great. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay. Um. Next. I will erase this, and then we're gonna go to the next. Okay. Okay, your turn. YouTuber, go. Salish. I keep it. Second choice. Second, you. Yeah. So. Okay. Salish. Oh my goodness. This is my favorite YouTuber when I was a kid, but now no. Salish. I'm sorry if it's wrong spelling, but okay. Salish. Wish. Okay. 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 The next one is. Wait. I'll put the names. I will put the faces of them. Okay. Okay. Guys, wait. What Dan TDM is? Okay. Me? Wait. TDM. Dan TDM. Yeah. This is the first one that we know. Dan TDM. Okay. Wait. Not yet. Wait. I'm still editing it because I'm putting the picture. Okay. What? So Mr. Beast is where? You said second choice A? A. Okay. Let's put a photo. Mr. Beast is in A. Right there. Okay. Salish is also A. Okay. Salish. Yeah, me too. John John PDF is S. And then what's the next? Oh, I give it a S. You. Me too. Okay, Ryan. Let me see. Oh my goodness. S. S. Ryan's World. S. S. Give it a S. Did you know that Ryan is not like Ryan changed? Yeah, the body. Oh my god. Why? Why did she change? Okay, Cookie God. What? What a? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. But, oh, TS. Oh my god. Yes. You. A. There's so many A. Okay, next Hanley. B. B. Okay. Okay. I can't find YouTube channel. Hmm. It's what? I'll just put the sign. Ow. What? What? I think I would. I don't know him, but B. B. You. B. 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 Me. Me. B. Wait. What is the name? Wait. I don't know what's the name of it, but you can hear it, guys, right? So yeah. Wait. M R K. Huh? MRKN what? MarkPiler. Mark Piler. UD. Oh, you said a bad word. Okay, next. Um, um, Preston Place. Preston Place. Me S. you. I am the last one, so you go. What is the next? What? What? Mark Rober? Okay. S. Yeah, because yeah. Okay. 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 Wait. Because I don't know. I'm nexting. Why it takes so long? Can crop. No shape delete. No, I'm not. Deselect. I deselect. What? I don't know. Wait. It's wait. Mark Rober. Mark Rober. What is Preston Place? A? No, I meant Robert. Preston Place is in A. S. Okay. 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 My turn. Even though he is not at YouTube, Jesus. S. 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 Of course. Next, you. The last one. What? What's that? I don't know that, but I think I'll give it a F. I don't know what's that. S A A. What's the name of that? SB7? Okay. Okay, that's it, guys, for today. Wanna say bye to the viewers? Say bye. Bye, guys. Yes, we will. Yeah, see you later or next time. Bye.